Thank you so much for that. It was a really good demo. We found it very useful. No problem at all. I'm glad it was useful. Yes, it's an awesome demo. That's great. It's all great. Now, do we have a timeline for making a decision? Well, it's just been one demo so far. So we have 4 plans: stand, walk, run, and sprint. Do you know which plan would be right for you? We've just seen one demo. I would personally recommend the run plan for you, even though the sprint plan is more expensive, but I don't want you paying more. Can I send you an invoice? No. I think we need some more time. We want to explore a few other aspects in the product. Well, this demo gave you an overview of everything in the product. There's literally no other aspect left to see. So just tell me, stand, walk, run, or sprint? Run? Hello? Are you there? I think he meant run away from you.